I hate Apple. I hate everything to do with them. Are we recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to my cooking show. I am the Beast. And that is That's Bimbo. Tonight I was cooking some dinner for a change because she always cooks dinner for me. So I raced down to Coles, and what we've done there is thrown a bit of pesto in. It's pretty scientific, you guys wouldn't understand. But I'm just about to dice the feta. And this is how we dice the feta. You use a knife of your choosing. Most people probably use that. Tonight we're going to use a steel-o. Alright, this is very technical stuff. So you place the feta block down, you grab your trusty steel-o and just glide through it like that. Yeah, look at that, it just cuts through like butter. So get all the excess feta off the steel, grab it and just, oh yeah, you like that, don't you, feta? Yeah, I'm fed up with you as well. Just with the fingers. That's when you use your fingers. So, that feels like a jacked off some sort of...
Oh no.
It does! Like, I feel like I'm a sperm counter at CSIRO for horses or something. Like, this shit's been locked in the freezer, or the back of the fridge.
So glad you said that, and then I have to eat it. Because it looks...
It looks like frozen semen. It does. It looks like Farlap's grandfather. Like, which one would you like? I'll let the frozen stuff off the back. I want it to be like Mr. Frost. I don't know how much... I've obviously got half a block in there now, so...
Are you going to stir it? Are you going... What are you
Yeah, look at my hands.
What are you doing?
What? I'm trying to get it off my hands. Look.
Okay, so wash them.
Alright.
That's not hygienic.
What do you mean? So this feta was bought at Coles. Never buy from Coles. Go to Woolworths, because this stuff tastes like it's been in the fridge for at least a month. I'm pretty sure that's some sort of... I'm going to get sued or something for that, but I'm willing to take the hit. Not really. Don't sue me. It's just ease and convenience as to why I go to Coles. So now I've got fresh hands. I feel like a surgeon. And we stir.
Alright, I have to watch this.
We stir.
Wow.
And we stir some more. Do you reckon we're going to need another thing of pesto?
I well, if you're cooking, it's your special recipe. It looks pretty special.
Do you reckon we need it?
I don't know, sweetheart. I'm not entirely sure what you're doing in that pan.
We don't like waste here in the Lordship's house. I'm not talking Jesus Christ. Any kids at home that are watching this, never lick the knife. This is quite strong. Do you reckon we need another one?
Yeah, pop it in. Are you going to put the whole jar or just part?
Well, what do you reckon?
It's your recipe. I don't know anything about what you're doing right now.
I give up.
You can...
So that's 2 jars of pesto that we've used. Oh, I used the spoon on the first one. I don't know why I didn't do that for the second one, but I like that seat in my pants, really.
Oh no. Alright, so are you going to stir it?
Just stir with a griller. And there we go. As you can see, it's Coles brand pesto. We should be getting money, Coles. Coles, we would like some royalties. We're using your gear. I feel like Jamie Jury, is he the chef?
No, that's Jamie Oliver.
No.
Jamie Jury's a...
Who's the
and
loser
then
that's always on the Coles ads?
Curtis Stone.
Yeah, him. I'll call him Jamie. Wow.
I don't know that he would like
Endorse
you.
this?
Yeah, probably not.
Well, Curdy, me boy.
Wow.
Well, there's probably too much pesto, but we'll just...
So we're going to Macca's.
There's a fair chance of that happening.
I'll give you points for trying. I've never seen something like this before.
Really?
I've certainly never cooked anything like that before.
I think I ever did it with pesto.
How good is that?
Yeah, you try it.
Oh, and you put the spoon back in.
Yeah, it's only going in your and my mouth. Not good?
I really love that you tried. Oh my goodness.
It's got some kick to it, doesn't it?
Well, I think if Shrek ever cooked, this would be what he would cook.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay, so there's nothing wrong with it. Let's name something that's right with it.
Making veggies, babe?
You can't do anything to wreck it.
Yeah.
Is that the Asian stir fry?
Yeah.
Water chestnuts?
Yeah. I love water chestnuts.
In with you.
Oh, hi. I didn't notice you there. Today, I'm still cooking this shit. I don't know why I haven't stopped. But these vegetables are brought to you by our good friends at Bird's Eye. The rest of it's Coles and it's fucking garbage.
That's really interesting, sweetheart.
Really? If you turn around and go, that's actually a nice meal, I'll be claiming every second of it. Even I know it's going to be piss poor. It's not really what I wanted to make, but I used to be. I'm used to being a single guy, and well, everything I make is marvelous. Now I've got to worry about somebody else's taste buds. So
Mentally scarring them.
goodbye, world. We'll let you know how it goes.